How to install your smart 4G-Lte Ptz solar camera. Choose a wall or pole with reliable 4G-Lte Ptz coverage and a clear view of the area you want to monitor. Make sure you have all the necessary parts within reach. Place the mounting plate with the arrow pointing upward and use it as a template to mark the mounting holes with a pencil. Drill holes at the marked points and insert the wall anchors. Position the bracket on the wall, align the holes and fasten it firmly with screws. Align the tabs on the camera base with the slots and slide the camera downward until it locks into place. Once mounted, secure the top safety screw for added protection. To install the solar panel, first assemble the mounting bracket. Take the nut and insert it into the arm that has the screw. Then, using the nut, tighten the arm to the base until secure. Place the solar panel bracket in the desired location and use it as a template to mark the mounting holes with a pencil. Drill holes at the marked points and insert the wall anchors. Reposition the bracket on the wall, align the holes, and screw it in firmly. Attach the solar panel to the bracket by turning the panel clockwise. Connect the camera to the solar panel by opening the protective rubber cover to access the USB-C port. Plug the integrated charging cable from the solar panel into the port. Make sure the panel receives 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Do not overstretch the cable. Check that all screws are tight. Verify the camera angle and field of view before finishing. With this, you've learned how to physically install your Nexxt Home Smart 4G-Lte Ptz solar outdoor camera.